How to use the Web Accessibility Tool Tech to success. 1. Give me 2 minutes, I will give you a diamond to the success. 2. You should do the practical now of the free unique tech. 3. Open to the webaccessibilitytool.com in your browser. 4. Copy to the unique code, choose from 6 sizes. 5. Now paste to the new code on your website in the body tag. 6. Now upload on the server to the new code and congrats. 7. Great, that's it, now you can check the tech on your website. 8. Open to your website in the browser. 9. Now close to your website to check the tech. 10. Now open a new tab of the browser. 11. Type in the address bar to the amazing new tool POOII.com. You will be happy. 12. You can type in the address bar any 3 keys twice, for example, OOIIU.com or LKKJJ.com or MNNBB.com. 13. These 3 keys are in the line on the keyboard, easy and simple to the typing. 14. Your great website will be open with the new tech of the atool.com.